see, I have already created Windows 11 boot USB. This is a setup here. You how to create Windows 11 boot USB. First, you need a Windows 11 ISO file and need a bootable software. Now, first we download a Windows 11 ISO file. Now click on your any browser and open to search type Windows 11 ISO file. Now you see the first result here Microsoft.com. Click on this site. Now you click on download Windows 11 ISO. Select download button and select Windows 11 multi edition ISO. Click on download button now. Please wait, he is validating your request. Now select your language. Now I select English. Click on confirm button. Please wait. He is validating your request. I re-click. Click on start download. Now you see the Windows 11 ISO file is downloading. Next you need a bootable software Rufus. To search Rufus, download. Now you see this. Click on Rufus and click on this rufus.x for download your window. Now I click on download rufus.x. Please wait. Downloaded Rufus now. Now click on Rufus. Click on yes. Now you see the Rufus interface here. First you can insert your USB. Now I already insert my USB. Second, you select a Windows 11 ISO file. Now I select a Windows 11 ISO file on select button. Please wait. Now this is a Windows 11 ISO file. Select, click on open. Now you see he is already analyze all of them into MBR. Now you can click on start button now. Now he is removing your data. Click on OK. Now he is accessing to this drive. Format is anything. Please remove all of data from your USB. Click on yes. Click on OK. Now you see he is deleting all of data from your USB. Now he is creating a bootable file system. Please wait, he is taking time. Now you see the copying of ISO file is now started. Now copying ISO file is completed 100%. Now your boot in USB installed. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video.